This creator generated $10,200 in profits as a TikTok Shop affiliate from a 2-minute video that they made talking about a product that they did not create, that they do not do customer service for, they do not fulfill. All they do is just promote the product and get paid for the sales that they gain from the video that they create organically. How exactly did they go about doing this, and how can you go about finding profitable products like this? Because the video's been up for around 60 days roughly. This works out at roughly $145 per day. Because remember, this is one product from one video. If this creator had made 10 videos that all did well promoting that same product, you can 10x the amount that I've mentioned in terms of commissions that they've made. I know it's not always very likely, but just to give you an idea of what the opportunity is with TikTok Shop affiliate. So how can you go about finding profitable products as a TikTok Shop affiliate? There's a bunch of different ways, but there's one particular very easy way which I'm going to walk you through in this video if you watch all the way up until the end. Once again, all the resources that I'm going to be talking about linked in the description. I will also have my free TikTok Shop affiliate beginner course if you are interested in making your first dollar online in 2024. Let's jump into this case study. I'm using a tool called Shoplus here, which I will have a link in the description if you want to take it for a test drive. And it's one of my favorite tools that I use to spy on TikTok Shop affiliates, see what videos they're doing, see who's selling the most, see what scripts they're using, what they're saying in these videos, how long these videos are, and ultimately what products are selling the most, how easy it is to create these videos to sell these products, or vice versa, how difficult it is. But most importantly, for the scope of this video, to understand and research the best products to start off with if you want to start selling products on TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, I've done a ton of these case studies here, and there are some similarities in terms of how people are locating and finding products, which is what I'm going to walk you through. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can find products to promote on TikTok Shop. One of the ways is you can go on TikTok directly within the TikTok Shop product marketplace and select products from there, but that will take you ages. It's a horrible way. TikTok doesn't give you all the data that you need in order to make informed decisions. By the time you eventually find a product, it will have taken you hours of research. You can go on forums online, see what other people are selling, but again, that's something that could potentially take a lot of your time. However, if you're using spy tools like Shoplus here, it makes it infinitely easier for you and saves you a ton of time to find products that will make you around $100 per day. Nothing is guaranteed, but the chances of you getting there are much higher when you're able to test things out quicker, fail quicker, and move on to the next product, as opposed to spending hours, days, weeks finding a product and having that fail and having to start again. So I'm going to show you two examples here of two products that are performing very differently. Now, the one that I'm talking about is this creator right here. The product that they're promoting is called it's a portable power bank. It sells at around $21 to your average consumer. The commission for this product is around 12%. So every time you sell for $21.59, you get 20% commission. And in this particular example, this creator here sold a bunch of different units. They sold 6,002 units, I beg your pardon. And the video that they had on TikTok had 2.4 million views. This is their profile. You can see the video here. And you can also take a look at the video and see, how simple and easy it is. I'm just going to quickly play through this here so we can see this guy's got the power adapter in his hand, the power bank, in his hand. He's talking through it. He's just showing the different features, and he's just essentially just talking through that. I'm not going to play the audio in case there is any copyrighted music, how to use it, where to plug it in, and essentially how you can go about using it as your average everyday consumer. Nothing special, no crazy edits. These are just normal everyday people that have products in hand. They use their phone, whether it be Android, iPhone, and they just talk you through the experience that they're having with the product, and they link the product in the video. It's that simple. Now, we're going to compare this product to another product, and then we're going to get an idea of what to take into account when you are selecting what's the best product that you can sell as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Spoiler alert, this is not the best product for the longer term. I will show you a much better alternative, and I will tell you why. So this product right here on TikTok, on Shoplus, on the product page. So again, very simple. I've gone into Shoplus here. I've gone into products. I've gone into top sales. From there, I've selected the product. It's right there, portable power bank. I've gone onto the product page here, and when you get onto the product page, there's different tabs and different bits of information that Shoplus gives you here. You've got the summary, product detail at the top, you've got sales analysis, you've got videos of people that are promoting the product that you can spy on, influencers, and you've got customer reviews as well. What we're going to focus on here is the sales analysis. Now, this might look a bit intimidating. Don't worry. It's very, very simple. All this tells you is how the product has performed over time. You've got these two lines. One is sales and the other one is revenue. So how many sales volumes, how many units has it sold over time? And how much in money has that meant? So in this case, I'm looking in the past 30 days. And as we can see, it's been doing really, really well at the beginning of, around the 5th of August there. Pretty decent amount of sales, and then it eventually started going down, and it's going further and further down. And I've got an idea of why that is. I think this is very much an outdoor product, and I believe this is a very seasonal thing for people that like to go out camping and doing things like that. And as it's getting colder in the seasons, especially in the USA, because this is where this product is currently based, people are going outdoors less and less, and therefore they're purchasing this product less and less. You can also filter the dates for even further back. So I'm going to look here. I'm going to go back and say January. We're going to look at, let's see how further back we can go, 15th of May. The reason why these dates are blanked out, by the way, is probably because this product wasn't listed before then. So you're not able to track data for before then. So let me go back here. Let me go to, so the 15th of May is when it was probably first listed. And I want to filter from that to, let's say, the 3rd of September. So just having a bit of trouble here filtering. So let's go back again. So we said the 15th of May, and then we're going to go up until, all right, okay, it's already doing it, 3rd of September. So yeah, as you can see, it started very low. It picked up as it's getting warmer in the season for a lot of places, and then it started declining. You can see the date at the bottom there, 20th, around May, all the way up until now. So might not be a good idea to invest in this one if you're wanting to sell the product in the longer term. If you're wanting to promote it, it might be a good, just one-off thing to test out, to try out. But according to this graph here, it's not very consistent. You want these lines to be as aligned as possible and to be as straight as possible here, whereas here they're very much up and down, which indicates that this is not what you call an evergreen product. Now, as opposed to this, if we look at the 15-day cleanse, which again I found here on the trending products page, this is not a seasonal product, and it's not perfect, but it's got more of a sales record, more of a better sales record than the power bank. As you can see, the product firstly has been on TikTok Shop for at least since the 1st of December 2023. It's probably been on there even before that, but I wanted to just go back around since that time. It's had some peaks and spikes there. It's also had some low areas, again, peaks and spikes, low areas, up and down, but for the most part, the product has been selling consistently for a number of months now, meaning it's not a seasonal product. It's not an Easter, Christmas type of product, Halloween type of product. It's a product that you can use anytime during the year. And obviously it's a cleanse product. People need to cleanse and look after their bodies pretty much all year round. So very good product to consider investing in. Again, it's not very consistent. Overall, I mean, ideally you want these lines to be as close to these bar lines here as possible from the left to the right, whereas here, as you can see, it's very up and down. Some products will be as close to that as possible, some won't, but this is a lot better than this power bank here in terms of evergreen products and profitability as well. Now, what you can also look at here, which I'm not going to delve into too much, is you can look at what other creators are promoting this product under the relevant videos tab here. You can look at relevant influencers, which is pretty much the same as relevant videos to me, which I wouldn't really focus too much on. You can also look at customer reviews. So here you're checking how many people are happy with the product, because at the end of the day, you want to promote the product that people are going to be happy with, the product that you would be happy with if you were using. Because remember, when you're making that video, you're presenting yourself as someone that uses the product. And most cases, people do genuinely use that product. If not, you want to pose yourself as someone that would use the product because you've got it in hand. So, 78% 5-star reviews, which is really, really good. 4 stars, 7.4%, 3-star reviews, a lot, and so forth. But the majority is 5-star reviews, which means majority of people are happy promoting this product. And this is potentially something you could mention in your video as well. And if we look at the power bank, we can also check the same thing out as well. Customer reviews, 80% customer reviews, really, really good. So a lot of people are happy promoting this product. It's just not as consistent throughout the year. So I don't want to make this video too long, but things that you want to consider, again, in summary, when you are choosing a product to promote, you want to look at trending products within a tool like Shoplus, which I've got linked in the description, so you can see what's selling the most. But not just that. Secondly, you also want to look at sales analysis, which shows you how well the product has been selling over time. And the more red and yellow lines you can see here across a long period of time, a month, 2, 3, 12 months, longer than 12 months, the more you know that it's an evergreen product that is likely to be selling all year round, which in my opinion is something that you'd want. You also want to focus on customer reviews, which from there you want to have a majority of 5-star reviews, ideally, as close to 100% as possible, 5 stars and 4 stars, because that means people are generally happy with the product. And ultimately, you also want products that are easy to demonstrate as well. You don't want to buy, promote products that you're going to find yourself stuck when creating the video. Like, how on earth am I going to start talking about this product? I have no clue. Like, if I was to start promoting software on this channel for people that do coding for a living, if I was to start promoting software as a service for people that do back end, full stack, front end development and all that stuff, how would I go about and start promoting the benefits that would appeal to those people? I don't know. So this is a good area to make sure you don't come across that stumbling block here. This is relevant videos where you can see what other people that are doing really, really well selling this product are saying in their videos. And again, Shoplus will allow you to download the videos, download the scripts, and essentially just learn from what's working currently. Again, everything linked in the description. Thank you for sticking with us in this video. Be sure to check out the next video that is on the screen if you want to learn more about TikTok Shop and make your first dollar online in 2024 as a TikTok Shop affiliate.